All right, everybody. Another super quick video for you. SAO2, right? And this one's just, okay. And this one's just for kind of to reiterate what we talked about in class about leaving things in terms of pi. So if a problem gives you something like this and it does not say round to the nearest tenth, then the problem is asking you to leave it in terms of pi, which is exact, right? So when we talk about kind of like perfection in an answer without a running decimal, like an irrational number, we're leaving it in terms of pi because that's exact, okay? So we're gonna answer this question for arc length in terms of pi. Now remember, the arc length formula is AL equals 2 pi r theta over 360, all right? So we know r, which is 7, and we know theta, which is 130. So let's plug in what we know. 2 times pi times 7 times 130 over 360. Now, we could certainly multiply the 2 times the 7 times the 130 and try to get some commonality to simplify that fraction, but let's just make it a little easier for ourselves. If we simplify the two biggest numbers here, we're not gonna have to deal with a whole bunch of nonsense later on, all right? So let's simplify that 130 over 360. So I know that they're both divisible by 10, so let's divide by 10 on top and bottom, which will give me 13 over 36. Now, 13 is prime, so I can't bring that down any further. I can't simplify that anymore. So we know that 13 over 36 is gonna be part of our answer. So let's go ahead and change this, right, to times 13 over 36. Now we can do this calculation. So we've got 2 times 7 times 13. I'm leaving the pi out, right? I'm not bringing pi into the equation whatsoever in terms of multiplying it. So 2 times 7 times 13 is 182. So this is 182 pi over 36. So I know that they both have a 2 in common, right? Because they're both even. So let's divide by 2 on top and bottom, which will give me 91 over 18. So 91 pi over 18. I don't know if they're divisible by 3, they're not 4, not 5, not 2. That's gonna be our final answer. Simplified version of this. So the answer to the arc length problem with a radius of 7 and a theta of 130 will be 91 pi over 18. All right? Easy peasy. See ya.